Hey guys, all right, let's jump in and start creating our app for the day. Today, I am going to be taking a look at some of these online ads. I was going to go ahead and use this one inside the Facebook ad library. So, someone from the one of the areas are advertising with kind of like a three-panel photo, a little get cash offer with kind of like a yellow box there. So we're going to kind of use that as inspiration today and see what we can do to build something that looks nice and can be a benefit to driving more leads. So let's jump in here. And the first thing I want to do is I want to get like a frame that matches this kind of like outline. So we're going to go ahead and look for some frames here. So we've got these type of frames. We've got some grid frames. Let's look at some grids. All right. Let's see if we can find one that we like that's similar, that has three pictures. If we remember, one on the left, two on the right. So it looks kind of like this one right here. And we're going to just kind of move this up a little bit. So we have some room at the bottom. I'm going to probably just bring it in a little too around the edges. And then what we can do is we can do a background with the type of color that we want. So we're going to use that background there. And now we're going to go ahead and start building the ad. So we're going to go into our photos. I'm just going to go ahead and use some stock stuff just because, obviously you can use photos that you guys have. So I'm going to go ahead and use some stock imagery that we have here. I'm going to go through and kind of just see. Let's pull some photos, a house, and pull some of these. It might be kind of cool actually to use something that maybe like has somebody kind of posting this house for sale, or maybe a couple saying for sale by owner, and then we can use some of the other stuff here of pictures of inside the house. But this kind of looks a little too new, so I'm going to go ahead and just use one of the stock photos that we've used in the past. Let's grab this guy here. Move it so it matches nice. All right. Then we're going to add two. So let's say dirty house. Might be so that we can kind of add some pictures of inside the house so they know that they don't have to worry about cleaning or any repair. Do something like that. You could take other pictures of inside the house, or you could take pictures of outside the house, or you could put multiple images of homes in here and kind of do your own thing. Obviously, they kind of did multiple pictures of houses. We could do the same thing here if we wanted. That would look a little bit more like this. Let's see. And one thing we could do is kind of make it a little bit more square to make it a little easier for us to do that. So let's see. Let's grab some homes over here. Throw some of these houses in here. Oh, that one might be better down here. And do something like that. So there's a couple options that you guys can kind of play around with and try to make it, kind of match that same template. And then what we're going to do is we're going to throw in a button. Now they have like kind of like they did a couple different things. So they kind of had like a get offer up here, like we buy houses for cash, kind of named it out right there. So I like the top part kind of having a little call to action up there. I think that looks nice, but what I want to do is kind of bring more eyes actually down here, so that they kind of all have one place to look. So I'm going to go ahead and find a button that I like. And I like this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to grab some text and get a cash offer. And we're going to make that a little bit smaller so it fits nice inside of here. Okay. And then we're going to make that white. And let's just lower this just a bit. Playing with that line there. Okay. Get a cash offer. And then what I'm going to do is I want a little bit of some sub details. So maybe I'll say, let's see, we could throw some text around here, or we could go ahead and put like an arrow. Oh, let's grab an arrow over here. Grab something that is a little bit lighter and just see, maybe something like this. Make this white. And go ahead. Throw this down here, and then we can put another text option right there. And we'll do sell your house. Don't worry about paying any fees or repairs. Okay, we're going to drop this down. This right in here. And then let's grab maybe a little bit different of a text option there. And then there you go. So, pretty simple. You can try a couple different things, add your own things into it, and play around. I would probably test putting, switching this up, or even just testing it like this, like get a cash offer. Just trying to capture people's attention and capture people's eyes is the importance of this. So go ahead, try some new things and see what looks nice and what you like. Remember, you can download all these templates that we have above just by clicking the link in the bottom of this video. All right, guys, we'll see you next week.